Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video here, a new update on Ethena. It's been a while since I covered Ethena. I did talk about it briefly in my last two market update videos I make almost every afternoon, talking about the markets and just in general what you need to know. Because Ethena has been relatively strong and it's been pulling quite a lot of volume, which you can see right here, for basically the entire week. So it's been doing quite good. Well, yeah, the entire week, like the volume you can see right here has been very, very elevated compared to basically the last 2 months or so, in which Ethena has been very bearish, of course. So that's great, but it's also still relatively strong right now. So I'm not sure how many people will watch these videos, but I do hope that everybody that watches these will find it valuable, because I actually do have some thoughts on Ethena, and well, we're going to be talking about that. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all, two things. If we zoom out, Ethena is still ridiculously bearish, right? So this is definitely still a downtrend. I do think that we are getting closer towards a bottom. Could 35 cents, which is, as you can see, quite a big liquidity zone. Could that be the main support level? Could that be the bottom? Yes, but I do think it's too early to say that, right? I need to see at least a breakout above this level here at 48.5 cents, which is the lowest level of the main resistance level we have. I need to see at least that in order for me to say, all right, well, I think it's confirmed that this is the bottom. I think for now, there's still a realistic possibility that we'll drop down into this next liquidity zone right here, between 20 and 25 cents. Obviously, that would not be great, but with the way the stock market is looking, with the way Bitcoin could be looking, I think a move for Bitcoin in the longer term down to 74 and 70,000 is a realistic possibility. Because of that, I do think that's a possibility as well. But so far, short term, it's looking quite good. I mean, Ethena has been one of the strongest performers this week. So, like I said, if you zoom out, high time frame, we are bearish, but I do think that there's a realistic possibility that this is the bottom. Now, one of the key reasons, and there's been some great developments as well in the last couple of months. Like, this is a project that has a lot of money, that's building a product that's actually being used, etc., etc. But what we had is that obviously heading into the crypto summit we had yesterday, a lot of these World Liberty Finance, which is the kind of Trump affiliated project, a lot of these projects related to World Liberty Finance started to do well, right? So Movement Network, Ethena did quite well. But whereas most cryptos yesterday after the summit started to sell the news effect, Ethena has continued the strength, and right now you can see that the volume is also up 24% going into the weekend. All right, so that's even more. I mean, if you take a look at the volume for Bitcoin, it might be up slightly. No, it's also down. It's down 12%. So there's a lot of volume going into Ethena right now, and a lot of that volume is spent pushing up the price. So the big question still is well, do we actually expect a bullish break? Oh, I actually got an alert for TRX. That's also a World Liberty Finance coin. But the big question is all right, well, do I expect us to get a bullish breakout? And do I expect us to really turn bullish? Because on the 4-hour time frame, there are some bullish breakouts here, but I would say this is still a consolidation. And for now, even though I think short term we are still very strong, we're still, like, the RSI is doing great. We're still gaining a lot of leverage momentum. The spot volume is very high. So short term, I do think it's most likely we'll be able to actually get more bullish pressure into 46, 48, maybe even 50 cents. But ultimately, that is such a strong resistance level, technically, psychologically, and you have a ton of other confluences there. Also some major volume levels. The volume area high, or the value area high, excuse me, that I do expect us to reject back down from there. All right, and then afterwards, I mean, if the market is quite strong, which is a possibility, we might be able to consolidate here a little bit higher, right? So then we have this kind of fake out, and then we consolidate right here. So that's a possibility, and that would still be bullish. And then it is a possibility as well that we later break out and rally up higher. But that I'll keep you updated on. All right, for now, well, if you're interested in that at least. For now, I think it's most likely short term we'll get more bullish pressure, but we will find resistance and we'll reject back down. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.